Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I am so happy to have you all here. We are getting really close to the 1,000 subscriber mark. If you guys could share out and get us over that hump, so that way I can send out these wonderful gifts to whoever wins, that would be awesome. Today I am going to swatch for you the Huda neons. I have a haul. It hasn't gone up yet, but by the time you see this, it will have gone up, because I'm pretty sure I'm going to put the haul up on, wait, either tomorrow or Friday. Anyway, so as you know, I do have a giveaway going on. That's linked down below, and also there's other information down there if you are interested in reading it. I just got done swatching the honey and just my luck palettes, and oh, why is this not closing? Oh, there we go. And I don't know if you can tell or not, but the glitter, that center one, is just really sticking with me, so you're just gonna have to kind of bear with me as I swatch around the glitter, but these are full of glitter too, so it'll just kind of mix together. It is a nasty outside today, so we'll try to get through this as fast as we can, because I know my lighting isn't the greatest right now. So I would like to start with the orange neon by Huda. And I open it up and I just am absolutely in love with these palettes. Out of the three, I don't really care so much for this one, but I am going to keep it. The packaging will look gorgeous on my wall. So let's get into swatching this one. And these do not have names. If they do, they are on the back. But that writing is too small. So we're going to start with this yellow in the corner. Oh, that's really pretty. And then next we are going to go with this top center one. Okay, that's a little harder glitter than what I just previously stuck my finger in the ColourPop palette. But it's still really gorgeous. And then we're going to go into this one here. Oh, that's so pretty. I am so in love with these palettes. I'm going to go into this pink one here, and that is also a harder glitter. Still very pretty. I'm going to go into this center one here. Oh, that's really soft. Next, we're going to go into this neon pink. We're going to go into this orange down here. It's more like a sherbet, sort of an orange. That's really powdery. And then we'll go into this one. All of these mattes are pretty powdery, but as you know, it's how it actually applies on the lid and not what the swatches are like. Oh my goodness. Okay. And there we go. Wow. I love it. I absolutely love it. And then we're going to go ahead and just go straight in to this, because I don't have as many wipes as I thought I had, so I'm going to have to leave these swatches up. But next we are going to go into the neon pink Huda. And that is just, I don't know. I'm so drawn to these. Will I wear them a lot? Will I stare at them a lot? I will. Okay, so we're going to go into this one first, and we will just find places to put these. So there is that. You can see how powdery it is on the finger. It's but there's that. And then we will go into this center glitter. And again, that is a harder pressed glitter, but it is so, so gorgeous. And then we'll go into this color here, which looks very similar to this one. It's just maybe a shade lighter, but they probably, I'm kind of disappointed in that a little bit. I mean, you can see that the swatches are almost identical. So when they blend out, they'll probably look the exact same. We're gonna go into this one here. That's really pretty. And then we will go into the center glitter. That's a little softer. It comes off on the finger as more of a shimmer though, instead of a glitter. That's really, really pretty. So let's close that up and let's go into the neon green. Now, like I said, when I opened this one, I wasn't super excited about it, but it's still really pretty. So we are going to start with this bottom glitter here. And we will put that here. And then we will go into this center matte color. I'm not sure what color that would be considered. A coral, maybe? I'm not really much of a coral person. My lighting is so bad right now. And then we'll go into this glitter. Oh, that's so pretty. And then this glitter blue. Oh my goodness. So pretty. Okay. And then there's this glitter white. I don't even know if that'll show up on my skin. That's really, really pretty though, for maybe like an inner corner. Let's go right here. Can you see that? Maybe even a highlight. That's really pretty. And then we'll go into this glitter here. That's really pretty. And I put that one right there. And then we'll go into this neon green. I'm gonna put that one right there. We'll go into this top center, like a kind of like a neon yellowish green glitter or shimmer. I'm gonna put that one right there. And then the last one, let me wipe my finger off. And the last one is this matte, which is also a neon yellowish green, but it's much, much lighter than the one on the other side. And that color payoff is not great at all, but it's right there. Here, let me go over it again, see if I can build it up a little bit. I can, not much, but I can. So there's that. All right, you guys, so those are those are the neon palettes. I mean, I love most of the colors. I absolutely adore most of the colors. There are some that I could do without, but you know, it is what it is. That goes to say for most palettes, I suppose. But there they are once again. And I hope you guys enjoyed, I was gonna say unboxing, but this was not an unboxing, this was a swatching. So I hope you guys enjoyed this swatching, and have a great day. Bye.